Medical checkup for work permit. I have an appointment for a medical checkup. I'm here for the work permit medical checkup. Where should I register? Do I need to fill out any forms? I already filled out the form online. I have my passport with me. Here is my passport. Can you tell me what I need to do next? Do I need to fast before the test? I haven't eaten anything since last night.
Please sit down here. Let me take your blood pressure. Your blood pressure is a bit low. Can I check your weight? Please step on the scale. Your weight is 60 kilograms. Now I will measure your height. Stand straight, please. Your height is 165 centimeters. We will check your vision next. Can you read the letters on the board? Cover your left eye. Cover your right eye. Do you wear glasses or contact lenses? Please wear your glasses for the test. We will now test your hearing. Can you hear this sound? You passed the hearing test. You may go to the next station. We will take a blood sample. You may feel a little pinch. Relax your arm. It's done. Thank you. We will take a chest X-ray. Remove any metal items. Take a deep breath and hold it. Don't move. You may breathe now. The X-ray is done. You can get dressed now. Wait outside for your results. Do you have any allergies? Are you currently taking any medication? Do you have any medical conditions? Have you had any surgeries before? Any recent illnesses or hospital visits. Your tests are complete. Please wait while we process the results. Your results will be ready in 3 days. You can come back to collect your results. We will send the report to your employer.
This is required for your work permit.
Make sure to keep a copy of your results. Give this to your HR department. This is valid for 6 months. You don't need another checkup right now. Your results are normal. You are healthy and fit to work. We will contact you if there's any issue. Please come again if you have questions. Please subscribe to support my channel.